Welcome to our channel. If you need to connect your Apple TV to a WiFi network for streaming content and accessing online features, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your Apple TV and your television. Make sure your Apple TV is properly connected to your TV via HDMI cable and powered on. Step 2. If this is your first setup, wait for the Apple TV welcome screen to appear. If you're changing networks, press the menu button on your Siri remote to return to the home screen. Step 3. Navigate to the Settings app on your Apple TV home screen. The Settings icon looks like a gray gear and is typically located in the top row. Step 4. Select Network from the Settings menu to access all network connection options available on your Apple TV. Step 5. Select Wi-Fi to view a list of available wireless networks in range of your Apple TV device. Step 6. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. Your network name will appear along with signal strength indicators. Step 7. Use the on-screen keyboard to enter your Wi-Fi password. You can use the Siri remote to navigate and select each character, or use your iPhone keyboard if prompted. Step 8. After entering the correct password, select Submit or Connect. Your Apple TV will attempt to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you'll see a check mark next to your network name and can begin streaming content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.